Can I use my electric fireplace's heat setting for long periods? Hey there, fireplace enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Electric fireplaces are a fantastic way to add warmth and ambiance to your home. But how long can you safely use that heat setting? Let's find out. First, it's important to understand how an electric fireplace works. These units use heating elements and LED lights to simulate a real fire, providing adjustable heat settings, low, medium, and high. Most electric fireplaces come with a thermostat and remote control, allowing you to easily switch between heat settings. On the low heat setting, your fireplace can run for extended periods, providing gentle warmth without consuming too much energy. Medium heat offers a balance, giving you more substantial warmth that's perfect for cooler evenings, while still being energy efficient. High heat is great for rapid heating, but should be used with caution. Prolonged use at high settings can lead to overheating and higher electricity consumption. To stay safe, follow these tips. 1. Avoid using high heat settings for too long. 2. Ensure proper ventilation. 3. Keep the fireplace away from flammable objects. 4. Regularly check for signs of wear and tear. Regular maintenance is key. Clean your fireplace, replace light bulbs as needed, and inspect electrical connections to prevent any malfunctions. By following these guidelines, you can enjoy the cozy warmth of your electric fireplace safely and efficiently for years to come. Thanks for watching. Stay warm and see you in the next video.